Tired of the same old balloon arches and boring party setups? It's 2025, and it's time to upgrade your celebrations with bold colors, creative shapes, and luxury balloon decor that turns every event into an unforgettable experience. Welcome to Turquoise Sky Events, where balloons meet bold creativity. In this video, we're revealing the top 5 balloon decoration ideas for 2025 that will completely transform your next celebration. From stunning chrome and metallic balloons that add a touch of luxury to organic balloon garlands with natural flow and floral accents, these ideas will make your decor stand out. You'll also see how disco ball backdrops are still trending this year, combining shimmer, LED lights, and fun energy for viral Instagram moments. We'll explore themed balloon installations for weddings, birthdays, and brand launches. Plus, introduce you to the hottest color of the year, peach fuzz, a warm and joyful tone that blends beautifully with gold and white. Each design idea is creative, modern, and perfect for any celebration style. Whether you're planning a small family party or a grand event, these balloon setups bring style, sparkle, and personality to your space. Watch till the end for expert decor inspiration and subscribe to Turquoise Sky Events for more luxury balloon designs, shimmer wall transformations, and event styling ideas straight from Colorado Springs. Let's make your next celebration shine with creativity, color, and a whole lot of balloons.